Right, so we're looking at how to convert a mixed number, or sorry, how to convert a improper fraction, or otherwise known as a top-heavy fraction, to a mixed number. And later on, we're going to be doing the opposite, most likely. So, so here we go. Right, 5 and 3/5 is a top-heavy fraction, or otherwise known as an improper fraction. So we're going to go this way first. I might actually include in the video how to do both ways. So write 5 over 2 as a mixed number. Now you're going to use the sort of technique that I taught before, chunking. Only you're going to chunk it in. Whenever we chunk things, which in other words means splitting into two chunks or more, we've got to think about the most sensible ways to do it. Now, when we just had a go now, what you did first of all is you went 2 over 2 plus 3 over 2, which is going to be equal to 1 plus 3 over 2. But that meant that we had to chunk this one again. So that would be keep the 1, and then we've got 2 over 2 again, plus 1 over 2, which is equal to 1 plus 1, plus a half, which is equal to 2 and a half. So a quicker way to get to the same answer is to chunk it into bigger. Into the first chunk is bigger. So instead, if I chose 4 over 2, that would end up being 2. Then the remaining 1 over 2 would give me 2 plus a half, which is 2 and a half. Okay, so look for the largest number that is divisible, that when you divide it gives a whole number. So I'm going to do this one as well. I'm going to actually, I'm going to do this one as well. Then afterwards, after the video, I'm going to erase it all. I might even do the third one, and then I'll erase it all, and let's see if you can do it yourself. So, 21 over 5. Right. So let's see. What's the largest number that will be that is divisible by 5? That is lower than 21. Well, 21 isn't divisible by 5. So the next lowest number that is divisible by 5 is actually 20. So in other words, 21 over 5 is the same as 20 over 5 plus 1 over 5. And 20 is divisible by 5. So when you do 20 over 5, you get a whole number. So what is 20 divided by 5? It is 4. Okay? And then you've got the 1/5. So I could do plus 1/5 like that, or I could skip that step and just go straight to the answer. Now, once you get good at this, you can skip this step as well. And I'll show you. So I might actually, let's do that again and show you how once you get practiced at this, you can start to skip steps. So I know that 21 can be split into 20 over 5 plus 1 over 5. So I'll do that step in my head, and I know that 20 over 5 is 4. So it's 4. The leftover 1 over 5 gives me 1 over 5. So, so you could, once you get good at it, you can just jump straight to the final step. Let's have a look at this next one. 10 over 7. 10 over 7. Well, I know that the 10, the lowest number that below 7 that goes into 7 is 7. So it would be 7 over 7 plus 3 over 7. 7 over 7 is 1, and then 3 over 7. Okay? Right. So before actually I will do a different video going the opposite way, okay, for these questions here. So I'll stop that video there, and I'll erase all that and see if you can come to it, do those questions yourself, and then have a go at one that I haven't done.